There is a Case tractor sitting in a barn in Iowa right now that has outworked 3 newer machines, and nobody talks about it. That is the strange thing about Case. The brand built some of the most capable tractors of the 20th century, and somehow the conversation always drifts to Deer Green or International Red, before anyone mentions the ones that actually got the job done quietest. Case has never chased attention the way some competitors did. The company built tractors for people who wanted results, not badges, and that philosophy produced machines that outperformed flashier rivals without ever needing to say so. Part of that comes down to timing. Case entered eras of agricultural transformation, mechanization after the war, the horsepower race of the 60s and 70s, the technology shift of the 90s, and consistently answered with engineering that solved real problems rather than chasing spec sheet bragging rights. This list looks at 10 of those tractors, the ones that did their work in the background while other brands got the magazine covers. Number 10. Case VAC. The VAC, produced through the late 1940s and into the 1950s, does not get the attention of Case's later Magnum series, but it deserves credit as one of the tractors that established the brand's reputation for smart engineering over raw marketing. It used a distinctive flexible frame design, sometimes called the flex frame, that allowed the tractor to twist slightly across uneven ground, keeping all 4 wheels in better contact with the soil than rigid frame competitors could manage. That flexibility was not a gimmick. On rigid frame tractors, hitting a rut or a rise with one wheel could lift another wheel partially off the ground, robbing traction exactly when a farmer needed it most. The VAC's frame absorbed that unevenness instead of fighting it. Farmers who ran VACs alongside stiffer competing tractors noticed less strain on the frame itself, smoother operation on hillsides, and fewer instances of wheel spin during heavy pulling. It was not the most powerful tractor of its era, but it solved a real problem quietly, which is exactly the kind of engineering decision that defines this entire list. Number 9. Case 800 series. Introduced in the early 1960s, the 800 series represented Case stepping confidently into higher horsepower territory at a time when farms were consolidating and needing more capable equipment to cover expanding acreage. The tractor paired a dependable diesel engine option with a transmission that gave operators more usable gear ranges than many competitors offered at a similar price point, which mattered enormously when matching engine speed to varying field conditions throughout a single day. Farmers running the 800 series on larger operations found it handled sustained heavy pulling without the overheating issues that plagued some rival tractors pushed to similar limits. The cooling system was engineered with genuine margin, not the bare minimum needed to pass factory testing. It never became the tractor everyone talked about at equipment shows, but it became the tractor a lot of serious operations quietly relied on through the decade, season after season, without drama. Number 8. Case 930. The 930, part of Case's push into more powerful row crop tractors during the 1960s, offered operators a diesel engine with genuinely strong torque characteristics for its class. What made the 930 stand out was not just the power figure itself, but how usable that power was in real field conditions, particularly during heavy tillage work, where torque under load matters far more than peak horsepower on a dealership brochure. Operators appreciated that the 930 did not need to be babied to get consistent performance. It started reliably in cool mornings, held power through tough, compacted ground, and required less fuss than some competing tractors that offered similar horsepower on paper, but struggled to deliver it consistently once real soil resistance entered the picture. That reliability built quiet loyalty among farmers who valued function over flash, the kind of loyalty that shows up in repeat purchases rather than in advertising surveys. Number 7. Case 1030. Case pushed further into serious horsepower territory with the 1030, and this tractor deserves recognition for how it balanced power with operator comfort at a time when cabs were becoming a genuine consideration rather than an afterthought bolted on for weather protection alone. The 1030 offered improved visibility and reduced vibration compared to earlier Case models, a detail that mattered enormously during long days of continuous fieldwork. Farmers running large acreages found the 1030 handled extended operation without the fatigue issues that older, rougher tractors imposed on operators through constant vibration and noise. A less fatigued operator makes fewer mistakes, works more precise passes, and stays in the seat longer before needing a break, all of which translate directly into productivity. The 1030 represented Case thinking seriously about the person in the seat, not just the numbers on the spec sheet, and that shift in priorities quietly influenced how the brand approached every tractor that followed. If this kind of detailed look into engineering that actually mattered to farmers is useful to you, consider liking this video and subscribing. It helps this kind of research reach the people who genuinely appreciate it. Number 6. Case 2470 Traction King. The Traction King, built through the 1970s, stands out as one of Case's boldest engineering statements. This was a genuinely massive four-wheel drive tractor built for farmers who needed serious pulling power across large, often difficult terrain. Its articulated frame, hinged in the middle rather than rigid front to back, allowed for tighter turning than a rigid four-wheel drive design would permit, which mattered enormously when working large fields efficiently without wasting time or fuel on wide turning radiuses at the end of every pass. The 2470 never became a household name outside serious agricultural circles, but among farmers who needed genuine heavy-duty capability for primary tillage or pulling large implements through heavy clay soil, it earned a reputation for handling brutal conditions without complaint. It was Case proving it could compete at the top end of horsepower and traction without needing to shout about it in advertisements aimed at casual buyers. Number 5. Case 4490 Traction King. Building on the success of earlier Traction King models, the 4490 pushed horsepower and drivetrain durability further into territory that competed directly with the biggest four-wheel drive tractors of its era. Produced through the late 1970s, it featured a robust drivetrain designed to handle sustained heavy pulling across large-scale operations without the premature wear that affected some rival designs under similar stress, particularly in the final drive components that took the brunt of continuous torque load. Farmers running large grain operations valued the 4490 specifically because it kept working through demanding conditions season after season with minimal major repairs, which mattered enormously during planting and harvest windows where a broken-down tractor could mean missing a critical weather window entirely. It was not the tractor that got discussed at dinner parties, but it was often the tractor quietly making the largest operations possible in the first place. Number 4. Case IH Magnum Early Series. When Case merged with International Harvester and the Magnum series emerged in the late 1980s, the resulting tractors combined the best engineering instincts of both companies at a moment when the American farm economy was recovering from a genuinely difficult decade. Early Magnum models offered a level of cab comfort, hydraulic capability, and drivetrain refinement that genuinely surprised farmers who had assumed rival brands held a permanent advantage in those areas. The early Magnum series proved that Case YH could match, and in several respects exceed, competitors that had spent years building reputations for comfort and technology. Farmers who switched from other brands during this period often stayed loyal for decades afterward, a quiet but powerful endorsement of what this generation of Magnum tractors actually delivered in daily use, rather than in a showroom walkaround. Number 3. Case IH Magnum 7200 Series. The 7200 Series Magnum, introduced in the 1990s, refined everything the earlier Magnum generation had established. Improved hydraulic systems, better transmission options, and continued attention to operator comfort made this series a genuine workhorse for farms transitioning into more technologically demanding agriculture, where precision guidance and data logging were beginning to matter almost as much as raw pulling power. What set the 7200 series apart was consistency. Farmers running these tractors across multiple seasons reported fewer unexpected breakdowns compared to competing models with similar specifications on paper. That reliability, season after season, without dramatic marketing claims or flashy redesigns, is precisely the kind of quiet performance that defines this list. Number 2. Case IH Steiger Series. Case's acquisition of Steiger brought some of the most capable four-wheel drive tractors in the industry under the Case IH banner, and the resulting Steiger series became legendary among farmers who needed maximum traction and horsepower for the largest operations. These tractors were built for serious pulling, handling implements and ground conditions that would strain lesser four-wheel drive designs to their breaking point. The Steiger name carried genuine respect among operators who valued raw capability over comfort features. A reputation built over years of large operations depending on these machines during the narrowest planting and harvest windows imaginable. Case IH's continued investment in the platform kept it competitive against dedicated four-wheel drive specialists for decades, and it earned its place near the top of this list through sheer, uncompromising capability, rather than any single flashy feature. Number 1. Case IH Magnum 380. At the top of this list sits the Magnum 380, a tractor that represents decades of Case engineering refinement, arriving at genuine excellence. Combining substantial horsepower with advanced hydraulic systems, precision farming technology integration, and a cab designed for genuine long-term operator comfort, the Magnum 380 quietly became one of the most capable row crop tractors available during its production years. Farmers who operated the Magnum 380 alongside competing high-horsepower tractors frequently reported it handled demanding fieldwork with less operator fatigue and fewer mechanical surprises across long, multi-day planting stretches. It did not need aggressive marketing to earn its reputation. Word spread through agricultural communities the way it always has, farmer to farmer, based on what the machine actually delivered season after season, rather than what a brochure promised. That quiet, consistent excellence is exactly why the Magnum 380 earns the top position on this list. Before we move on, if you have not already, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. I would genuinely like to know which of these Case tractors you have operated, restored, or grown up around on a family farm. Tell me your experience, because stories like these are exactly what keep this kind of agricultural history alive. What ties all 10 of these tractors together is not flashy marketing or magazine covers. It is a pattern of quiet, consistent engineering excellence that farmers noticed long before anyone else did. Case built machines that worked, season after season, in barns and fields far from any spotlight, without needing to announce themselves at every opportunity. That kind of reputation, earned in the field rather than in advertising, is the rarest kind of legacy a tractor brand can build, and it is exactly why these 10 machines deserve to be remembered. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.